Hello and welcome again. Once, thank you for joining in again and tuning into our my channel, our channel. In fact, here in this very short video, I want to take some time to explain the Final Cut Pro workflow, especially what we understand, but what they mean by library. Because there are some lot of confusion there, and I just really want to try and contribute to what probably basic explanation of how this can be grasped. Let's take, for example, you are coming from the US or somewhere traveling to London, and you are probably a travel guy, and you want to really record your activity, some of your travel adventures, and you landed in London, which is the capital of the United Kingdom, and therefore you want to really get this your trip organized. So you landed in London. London is your main hub where you landed, and therefore that is the United Kingdom, and therefore London now is your library. Let's take it as your main folder. So you landed in London and you created a library. So, and that library has 4 stars in Final Cut Pro. You can be seen once you started the Final Cut Pro app. You will see that it will automatically create a library for you, and the library can be identified because you got 4 stars with a black background. And now, once you landed in London, you decided that you want to visit different cities. Okay, maybe London City is safe. London is the capital, and then London City is safe. Can be an event 1, which is the event 1. And then after you visit and explore the city of London, you decided to go to Birmingham. Birmingham is another event. Okay, and then from there you decided to go to probably Manchester. Event number 3, Manchester is another event. And then other cities, maybe Liverpool, Bristol, Durham, and other major cities within the United Kingdom. So each of these cities that you wanted to visit and maybe explore and have a good time are your event. Now, every of these cities or event that you created under this library, you might have some of the clips, the activity that you recorded with your camera, with your friend photographs. So those clips of video footage, photography shots, talks, they come under every particular city or event. You did that in inner city of London. You recorded video clips and things like that. So the event can contain clips. Okay, or the event can contain what they call project, and a project basically is made up from the combination of these clips. You put these little clips together to create a project in order to stitch those little clips together to create a timeline, and that's what comes under the timeline as a project, and that is what you share as a footage of your activity within a certain event to create a movie. So the workflow in Final Cut Pro is just about that. You create a library and you create event, you create some footage or clips, and then you put those clips together to create a project, and that project you share it to the world. And once you share that to the world, people now consume it, and they express their appreciation or whatever the feedback could be. You get it from the project you shared. Now it is, I believe, as simple as that put forward. Yeah, so I mean, you can decide that, okay, yeah, you can have many, the issue is you can have many libraries. You can decide to say every city that I want, I visited is a library of my own. So London is a library, Birmingham is another library, Bristol is another library, Durham another library, Liverpool is another library, and every of the local places that you visit, borough council, can be your event. And then within that your event, now you can create your clips. Okay, maybe you attended, you went to Glastonbury Festival, you attended it. That Glastonbury Festival can be your event. The music you listen, the video photo you take on your phone, those clips that, and those friends that you make photo shot and things like that you created, now they are your clips. And from there, when you assemble them together on your timeline to create a footage of whatever activity you compile together, now it becomes your project, and that's what you share with the world. I hope this my explanation helps somebody there. Please, if you like it, thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Good to see you again. Thank you for watching.